7 a.m., 21 degrees. I just shot that hog from the front of the house. Are you judging me, puppy? Am I a weenie because I don't want to go out there? Thought I would run a fun experiment as I'm babysitting this property for the next couple of days. The first time I attempted to use this bag, I lowered it too low to the ground because I didn't want the corn to spill out. But what that ended up doing was buckling the bag like right here. It laid over so it wouldn't pour out. So I made sure that this was high enough and actually kicked the dirt out underneath, that if they start to feed that, that'll come out. But the other thing that I have is I've had this Moultrie motion sensor light for probably a couple of months. I've only tested it one time, and so I've got it set on low on the left that you can see here, and also on motion detector. I know this will work, but what's super cool about this setup is this is a pretty bright tree, and when that thing glows green, you're definitely going to see it. And you probably can't see this from here because the sun's right there, but I can see clearly from the window up there if there's anything moving down here. I really don't expect any hogs to come in because I typically never see hogs in this area. The deer will come through here for sure, and a raccoon. So if a big raccoon comes in, I'm definitely going to pop it because we've had quite a few of those on the property. But I want to see if this will actually work. Let's see, guess how many days it takes before something comes in. I'm going to guess tonight a raccoon is going to find this, and probably deer by the morning. But if a hog comes in, that would be awesome. Here's the view from inside of the house. That's that tree right there. You could actually see the corn built up underneath it. It's going to be probably about a 230 plus yard shot from the deck. But I've got my precision Creedmoor. Pew pew. Hey, puppy. A raccoon did show up the first night. For the next 3 nights, I could see the light turn on occasionally, but nothing big enough worth pulling the trigger on, particularly in these cold conditions. It took a few nights for the deer to get used to the light. The light being right next to the pond made a great reflection, really bright and easy to see from the house. One early morning, I saw the light boot up, but didn't see anything underneath it. I checked the game cams and noticed a new sounder with a bunch of little piglets that moved into the property. I got behind my thermal and saw a blot of something by the feeder. I loaded up the cutting-edge 120 grain match tactical hunting bullet, went outside with the big gun, and we'll pick up the action from here. It's a small little pig. Cool little colors though. Tan, white, a little bit of gold color there. This is the cutting edge bullet, 120 grain. Not the best shot placement, but I was also on a very unstable hill. Yeah, I gut shot that thing. Huh, did it go through and through? It may not have. Did a little bit of research on this guy. He's not that big. Maybe if he tops 60, 70 pounds, I'd be surprised. At 100 yards, the cutting edge bullet hit this boar at 2,589 feet per second, impacting him at 1,785 foot-pounds of energy. I've had mixed results with this bullet on bigger hogs, but at this size, he hit the dirt. I passed on a lot of coons, and finally one came out that I decided to shoot. At a distance of 235 yards, this high ballistic coefficient bullet would hit this raccoon at 2,347 feet per second, delivering 1,467 foot-pounds of energy. Because of the time and temperature, I did not recover him until the next morning. Unfortunately, I did not find him. Again, I've had mixed results with this bullet. I had a very interesting event happen this past week. Comment when you see it, and stay tuned for my next adventure.